So in this video, I'd like to relate some of the ideas from our Java class to some of the similar ideas in Scratch. So one of the ideas that we looked at was the method header, what we call the method header in Java. So in Scratch, what would that look like? In Scratch, we have this idea of blocks where you can make your own custom blocks. That's kind of like what methods are in Java. So let's make an act method or an act block here in Scratch. I'm just gonna click OK here, and let's have it do something really simple, like here in Greenfoot. We have the header here, and then in the body of the method we have it move and turn. So let's do that in the body of our, I think body is the next thing, yeah. The method body for Scratch will have the cat move and turn. Like that. Let's see if we can make it. Let's change our arguments so that they look like these. So we have the argument to the move method is 4, and the argument to the turn method is 1. So let's do that. We'll make this 4, move 4 steps, and this will be move 1 step. And let's do the equivalent over here. This is like a beginning crab one, so we'll say move 4 and turn 1. Okay, so we have so here's our method header defined, and the method body is everything that is being defined as this act. It's move and turn, right? So when we press on it, it does it once. And if we want to do this forever, like the run method, we can stick act in here, and he's doing it forever. Okay. Still kind of a wide circle, but anyway, let's see. And similarly here, I'm going to stick a crab on here. We have an act method, so if he does it once, let's move 1, and if he does it, if he hits run to do it forever, it's like that. Okay, so why did I make the thing about, why am I making us do cahoots for this, right? I mean, you know how to write these. The thing that is different with Java and why we have to get a little bit more into the language is we need to be really careful, since we're just typing in what the header is. We have to be really careful about how we put that together. Just like over here with when we make a block, everything is kind of forced on us, right? If we we can't really mess up with the braces or with the you know, or with the semicolons and stuff like that. So it's not as much of really having to pay attention. And the language really helps us be aware of what we're doing, that we're writing in a return type, that we have, you know, a method name, that, you know, things go and have to go in this particular order. You have to say public, void, act. We have to have the braces for the body and all that kind of stuff. So that's why that's kind of important in the Java world. Let me just go back to that for a second. So yeah, so that's why we need the terms method body and method header to kind of just be aware that that's what goes on. Oh yeah, so then we also have parameters, right? You can have parameters in Scratch as well, and that's what we'll talk about in the next video.